Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Libra, 8 sign. This is June monthly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. Let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general reading. If it is not resonates, don't force to fit in. So let's see what are the messages for you. What are the messages for you, Libra, and what's going on? Messages for you and what's going on. Messages for you and what's going on. Judgment with 6 of Pentacles and 4 of Pentacles. I think in this relationship there is no equal give and take, Libra. That's why you decided to holding back. You are not opening up emotionally, and you are going to make some major decision in the month of June. Judgment. Maybe one person in this connection may be going through some legal issues. Yes. So let's see your reading. Recent past, 9 of Swords, Ace of Wands and 2 of Swords. Yes, you are at some crossroads. You don't know which decision you have to make. You are getting a lot of thoughts. You are in anxiety and depression type of energy in past. So that creates so much confusion in you. Maybe you decided to walk away from this person, but one part of you still wanting this person in your life. That type of confusion you are in past. For some, maybe family or friends, a third party situation also involved, but you are attracted to them. Still there is passion, still there is attraction between both of you, because Ace of Wands is here, but you are unable to make any decision in recent past. Then present, Star, Fool and King of Swords. Now you are thinking through your logical mind instead of your heart. In past, maybe you are very emotional person, but now you are becoming like very logical person, thinking through your logical mind. Now you are living in the present moment, going with the flow, enjoying every moment, maybe leaving everything behind which causing anxiety and depression in you. So you seeing life without this person in a positive way, like you may be concentrating on your career. Maybe something positive is coming into your life. Then future, Magician, High Priestess and the Devil. Maybe you are manifesting something big into your life. For some, maybe this person may be manipulator, but you know, I think you are in some manifesting journey, what I'm getting here, because the Magician with High Priestess. You are trusting your intuition, listening to your intuition, and the Devil card is here. But for some, this person may be toxic for you. They are obsessed with you. For some, you still are obsessed with them. Yes. But I am getting for some, definitely this person toxic for you. And the person involved in this connection could be a lot of air energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Aquarius or Capricorn. So Libra, let's see you person current feelings and their intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. See again Judgment. Definitely some major decision making. Judgment with 4 of Wands. So let's see their current feelings for you, Libra. I think Aquarius, the person involved in this connection could be 10 of Pentacles. I don't read reverse cards. Again, Judgment. So definitely they are in the process of making decision regarding this relationship. And I think you both are on the same page and they still have hopes on this connection if you are in separation with this person. For some, you even though you are in a relationship with this person, this is on and off connection. And Page of Pentacles, maybe they want to communicate with you, they want to text you. And Ten of Pentacles, yeah, they're thinking about commitment, marriage. Maybe in past they are in and out of your life, but now they want to offer commitment. So let's see their intentions. Libra. See, it's your card and it's your reading. Justice. Nine of Swords. Eight of Pentacles. And Three of Swords with Seven of Cups. And the World. Some cycles are going to be end between you and your person. Yeah, maybe right now there is some confusion. For some, they are fantasizing about you. For some, maybe your person have options, but now they are missing you. For some, you are in separation. Definitely your person's missing you badly. They're heartbroken without you. So Nine of Swords energy. In past, maybe they are putting you in Nine of Swords energy. Now they are in Nine of Swords energy. So they're missing you badly and they're losing the nights over you. Especially when they are alone, they're getting a lot of thoughts regarding you. So now they want second chances. Now they are serious about you, Libra. Now they want to work on this relationship because the Justice marriage card with Eight of Pentacles. Commitment. Now they want to commit to you. And this time they are very serious about you. And again, Eight of Pentacles is slow moving energy. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah, Three of Swords and the Moon. There are some illusions between you and your person. Trust issues, the Moon. So for some, maybe they are manifesting you. One person is manifesting the other person in this connection because the Magician, High Priestess, the Moon is here. But they are missing you so much. And there are some issues between both of you. Yes, still there is passion. And Queen of Swords, right now you both are not talking with each other. Maybe they scared for rejection. For some, you're still waiting on this person. Yeah, you still have emotions towards this person, but they want to come back, but they are in very slow moving energy. Knight of Cups is here, and you are taking your control back. Now you are very, very strong, very, very, especially emotionally. Now you are no more dependent on anyone, either emotionally. Yes, they are coming back with an apology. For some, children's also involved in this connection, text or message from your person. And so let's see mutual. Eight of Cups. Two of Pentacles. Yes, right now you both are in separation, and Two of Pentacles juggling. Maybe you want to move on from this person, but you're still juggling because you still want this person. One part of you want to move on from this person, but another part want this person. That type of juggling. You both are in separation right now. You both are juggling. Yes, you both have to make some decision. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Libra. I'm serious about you. Yes. I'm not feel good enough for you. Mask. Third party involved. Yeah, for some. And marriage. And I want to express my love. So these are the messages. I am serious about you. I am not feel good enough for you. Mask, third party involved, and marriage. Here third party means friends, family, other man, other woman. Could be anything. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Libra. Look at the bigger picture, full moon in Sagittarius. And balance, spirituality and practicality, full moon in Pisces. So if you are not seeing any signs that your person, if you are in separation, so that person is coming. If you are not seeing any signs, so look at the bigger picture. Definitely something big is coming into your way. Maybe it is now in the process of, now maybe it is in 3D, but in future it will be here. And balance spirituality and practicality. So do meditation and balance your life and spiritual life. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you'll get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.